DJI, the undisputed leader in the drone industry, is poised to once again redefine the market with its upcoming innovation, the DJI Flip. This highly anticipated drone, rumored to launch on January 20th, 2025, has been generating significant buzz within the drone community due to its radical design and impressive features. A unique design language. The DJI Flip's design is a departure from traditional drone aesthetics. It features a compact, foldable form factor with innovative duct propellers. This unique design offers several advantages. The innovative design of the Flip drone prioritizes safety, incorporating duct propellers that significantly minimize the risk of injury to both pilots and bystanders. This thoughtful design element ensures a safer flying experience, making the Flip an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. A quieter and more stable flight experience. The duct propellers also play a crucial role in reducing noise pollution, resulting in a quieter flight experience that is perfectly suited for indoor use or urban environments. Furthermore, the streamlined design of the Flip enhances its aerodynamic performance, yielding increased stability and agility during flight. A state-of-the-art camera system. At the heart of the Flip lies a sophisticated 3-axis gimbal camera system, engineered to capture breathtaking photos and videos with unparalleled clarity. Although specific details regarding the camera's resolution and sensor size remain under wraps, early indications suggest a substantial upgrade over previous DJI Mini models, positioning the Flip as a top-tier choice for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. DJI's unwavering commitment to safety is evident in the Flip's cutting-edge obstacle avoidance system, mirroring the technology found in the esteemed DJI Air 3S. This sophisticated system leverages a harmonious blend of sensors and AI-powered algorithms to detect and adeptly avoid obstacles, ensuring a safe and reliable flight experience. Comprehensive safety net. The Flip's obstacle avoidance system provides a 360-degree safety net, vigilantly monitoring the drone's surroundings to prevent collisions. This advanced technology empowers pilots to focus on capturing stunning footage, while the Flip expertly navigates complex environments. Portability redefined. The Flip's foldable design. Beyond its impressive safety features, the Flip boasts a revolutionary foldable design, rendering it incredibly portable and convenient to transport. This sleek design enables users to effortlessly carry the Flip with them, making it an ideal companion for travel, outdoor adventures, and everyday use. The Flip's ingenious design and cutting-edge features have effectively democratized drone technology, making it accessible and appealing to a broader spectrum of users. Its compact size, quiet operation, and robust safety features have created a compelling proposition for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike, particularly those who value discreet flying capabilities. Elevating safety standards. A dual-pronged approach. The Flip's safety-centric design incorporates two critical components: duct propellers and an advanced obstacle avoidance system. This synergistic approach significantly minimizes the risk of accidents, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable flying experience. By mitigating potential hazards, the Flip empowers users to focus on capturing stunning footage, exploring new environments, and pushing the boundaries of creative expression. Unlocking new heights of flight performance. The Flip's streamlined design, powerful motors, and sophisticated aerodynamics converge to deliver exceptional flight performance. With increased speed, agility, and stability, users can effortlessly navigate complex environments, capture dynamic footage, and experience the thrill of flight like never before. The DJI Flip is poised to revolutionize the drone industry in 2025, generating immense excitement among enthusiasts and professionals alike. This game-changing drone boasts an innovative design, cutting-edge features, and unparalleled potential to reshape the market landscape. A new era in drone technology. As the drone community eagerly anticipates the official launch of the DJI Flip, it is evident that DJI is once again pushing the boundaries of innovation. By integrating advanced technologies, refined design elements, and user-centric features, DJI is poised to elevate the drone experience, unlocking new creative possibilities and redefining the standards of excellence in the industry. A testament to DJI's commitment to innovation. The DJI Flip serves as a testament to DJI's unwavering dedication to innovation, quality, and user satisfaction. As the company continues to break new ground in drone technology, the DJI Flip is set to leave an indelible mark on the industry, inspiring a new generation of drone enthusiasts and professionals to explore the vast possibilities of aerial photography and videography.